Are you looking for assistance with water damage restoration in Loveland? All Phase Restoration is a full-service restoration company offering water damage restoration in Loveland and its surrounding cities since 2003. We understand difficulties that accompany water damage, losing priceless items including family photos, collectibles, antiques, and much more. As you can imagine, the longer water has had time to settle, the worse things become. As water damage restoration specialists, we know that when you have water damage, time is the critical element for minimizing damage. We utilize state-of-the-art technologies, equipment, and monitoring procedures to quickly and cost-effectively extract, dry, and dehumidify any structure and its contents. We offer emergency service 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. You can bet on us to deal with all of your needs every step of the way, with quality, care, tips, and guidance on what steps to take next. We value each and every relationship we forge in the local community. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and take pride on our personal touch and professionalism. So, if you're browsing for a water damage restoration company in Loveland, look no further. We can help you now. Call us today at 970-235-2696 or visit us at www.aprestoration.com.